Hello and welcome back to the HomeWaterCog YouTube channel. Today we are going to recommend you 5 best blankets for heavy winter. But we encourage to make a buy decision only after your own research and satisfaction. Please be informed that this is going to be a short video just to introduce you with the blankets, but if you wish to learn details of these blankets, we request please visit HomeWaterCog.com and navigate to the Home Furnishing page under Home Needs in the menu bar. Or click the link in the description box. Before we move ahead, we request you to like this video, subscribe to the HomeWaterCog YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon for quick notifications of our future video uploads. Without any further delay, let's see which all blankets have made place in our list. Here we go. The first blanket is the Signature Double Bed, Double Layered Blanket for Heavy Winter, 400 TC, polyester material, tangy orange color. Key points about this signature blanket. Material, polyester. Double layered, suitable for heavy winter. Wine color, tangy orange pattern. Product dimension is 2.2 meters in length and 2.4 meters wide, that is perfect for double bed. Product weight is 5.5 kilograms, approx. Product care instructions include: machine washing is allowed by the manufacturer, but avoid tumble drying. Please do not use bleach, avoid twisting and ironing. Our second blanket is also from brand Signature. The Signature Sole, Extra Soft, Microfiber, Double Layered, Double Bed Blanket for extreme cold. Key points about the Signature Sole Mink Blanket. Material, microfiber. It is a double-layered blanket, good for heavy winter. It's a multicolor, animal print pattern blanket that looks extremely beautiful on the bed. Product dimension is 2.2 meter in length and 2.4 meters wide. Product weight is 5.6 kilograms. Product care instruction says, dry clean only. Do not hand wash or machine wash. Do not iron. Our third blanket on the list of the best blankets for heavy winter is Elstone Home Cloudy, 2-ply, super soft, double bed blanket for winter. Key points about this blanket. Material, polyester. Layer, 2-ply, that is, double layer, mink heavy duty. Color, multicolor, floral pattern. Product weight, 6 kilograms, approx. Product care instruction. Wash care, machine wash and hand wash in cold water. Use mild detergent. Dry flat. Do not iron. Do not bleach. Bezelish Home Cloudy is our fourth best blanket for heavy winter in our list. Key points about this blanket. Material, polyester. Layer, 2-ply, that is, double layer, suitable for harsh winter. Color, multicolor, floral pattern. Product weight, 6 kilograms, approx. Product care instruction. Wash care, machine wash or hand wash in cold water. Use mild detergent. Dry flat. Do not iron. Do not bleach. Fifth and final blanket in our list is the Omaja Home 480 TC Super Soft, Double Ply, Double Bed Blanket. Key points about this blanket. Material, velvet. Layer, 2-ply, that is, double layer, mink blanket for heavy winter. Color, multicolor, floral pattern. Product dimension, 60-inch wide and 90-inch long. Product weight, 4 kilograms, approx. Product care instruction. Wash care, hand wash only. Use mild detergent. Dry flat. Do not iron. Do not bleach. These were our 5 best blankets for heavy winter. Stating again, this was just a short introduction to the blankets. To learn more about them, please visit HomeWaterCog.com as guided. Hope you liked this video. If so, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for our future video upload notifications. Thank you.